Sheet Brooks. That's best sheet I have ever. $100, but it's best. I have that SCHWINN MOAB 3 gears. Freak, I don't want anymore. So I will remove that old stuff. This original gear was with this bike, but it's been installed, you know, right on this spot. But now I will put that on another side. It will be like that now. You got it, right? It will be on the middle. I do not want to order that nuts special for that gear. It's a good tool. So what I did, I cut that. Number one, you have to use safety glasses. That middle gear, I cut that, and beautiful. I will paint it right now, and it will be here like nuts. You see, it's nuts inside gear. And this is 40 teeth, not 38. And this, of course, will be good. Stop here, and I will be tied that everything. You know that, right, guys? You cannot remove that pedal without these tools. So you need to buy this tool. What you're doing? You just screw in like that, right to the end. When this stop, okay, with this stop, you take a wrench 15 millimeters, and you beginning tie that stuff. Okay, turn right, tie that, and when you tie that, this will be remove your pedal. Okay, good luck. Glory to Ukraine always, and God bless America. I finished that. Yeah, I paint that, cut that like I explained you before, and I put that gear more inside, turn inside. This will be straight chance, and also that give me more range to shift to a lower gear. So it's good. It's only rear brake right now, because this was my mistake to buy this bike. This bike is not good. Because I choose bike very light frame, so it's because I choose this one. So what I did, I remove from the here gears, and also brake, because they have all in one cassette, shifting and brake. So I removed that. It's okay, it's enough for me. This bike, my first one, that's good one. But look at this. This gear 38, right? And this is much bigger, 40 teeth. So my son never get me. So on this bike, over right, what that company? Diamondback. I was searching for that bike. It was much expensive. This one $500, and right now I cannot buy that series. It's so bad. They have good one. They have separate brakes and separate gear. I removed that. You see gear separate. That's very nice. When you search for bikes, just pay attention, separate, because whole assembly like this one, if something broken, you need replace whole assembly. In future I will buy separate brake. I testing, that's nice. I removed that stuff, no more bother me, just one gear, and that's how much. Okay, count that. Nice job. If you go to store, bike store, to install one gear, front one gear, reassembly everything, they will charge you almost $300.